Hey everyone, it's Sergio with the RideShare Guy. I'm in the city. I have my app on for Uber, and I am recording for about a couple 3 minutes to see what kind of garbage I'm going to see. Here's one on my trip radar. Look how fast these are being snapped up. Of course, it's a decline. 11 minutes for $3.76. No, thank you. I don't know what to tell you, people. This is becoming a battle of the wills, and even if you do cherry pick, are there any cherries? There is another one, $20. Comfort, 20 minutes, $6.57. Comfort trip on top of that. I mean, you can catch a bus cheaper than this probably, but this is getting pretty close to me. A comfort trip for 20 minutes. How does Dara come up with $32 per active hour? Even if I did 3 in a row of these, this would add up to 20. 3,657. So that's basically where we're at. I mean, and they ping you with it, of course, after they show it to you. This is becoming something unbearable. It's painful to watch. And I am not sure who is doing these trips, honestly. I would decline 1,000 in a row before I accept any one of these. But then I do understand the problem. The problem is there is desperation out there, and there are people who are grabbing these trips. And as long as they're being grabbed, nothing is going to change. And here's another one. Half an hour, 29 minutes for 6.5 miles. Another comfort trip for $8.54 on Trip Radar. How is this profitable? I mean, it's cash flow. I get it. But are drivers figuring this out? Here's another one. 17 minutes for $5.50, less than $5.50. Okay, I just don't get it. I'm more frustrated than any of you watching. It's actually irritating me. And here's another one. That's probably the most decent one I've seen still. 26 minutes for $11. How can I make $32 per active hour, Mr. Khosrowshahi? I will send you this video. I guarantee it. And I will show it on Show Me the Money. There's another one. 18 minutes for $5.25. How's any of this working out? I'm not sure. Who's grabbing these? Look how fast this is going to get grabbed. Somebody's going to do it. That's a decline. I don't even want to look at it. See? Somebody grabbed it already. Not even on my app. Trust me, the Lyft is the same. The garbage. It's absolute garbage. And now they'll slow it down a little bit because I'm declining a lot of trips. I mean, I'm in the middle of the city. Whoever knows LA knows LA. And it is 12:35 on a Saturday, where everybody is about to go out to lunch, to the mall, Christmas shopping, whatever it is. And there is absolutely no surge in LA. You have all those wonderful gray clouds with a bunch of dollar signs. At LAX, you have 300 cars waiting just on UberX. I mean, is this a viable situation? To be perfectly honest with you people, I don't know. This is disappointing on many fronts. Well, I guess I'll just turn my app off now because it's truly irritating. And you guys see how they slow the pings down because I declined maybe 20 in a row. I am not doing garbage. I can't. It just doesn't make sense to beat my car down and to break my back for $5 for every 20 minutes. It just does not make sense at the moment, people. All right. I know it's not too bright, but hey, things will hopefully change soon.